Barack Obama will appear in a 5-part documentary series for Netflix about national parks in the United States and abroad. The 44th president will also narrate the series, which is titled Our Great National Parks, which will be available for streaming beginning April 13th. When the project was initially announced last year, it was expected that Obama's role would be strictly as an executive producer. But now the former president will appear on camera as well, according to Deadline, which first reported the news. Obama's documentary will focus on national parks in California, Kenya, Indonesia, and Chile, among other locations. The series will coincide with a nature protection fundraising campaign involving the Wildlife Conservation Society and Campus. A fish that can walk. Surfing hippos that want to fetch away. Species found nowhere else on Earth, Obama says in the trailer for Our Great National Parks. When humanity started to protect these wild places, we did not realize how important they would become. They're a haven for endangered species, and a hotbed for scientific research. Barack and Michelle Obama's years-long collaboration with Netflix includes the Oscar-winning film American Factory, a documentary about the Chinese-owned manufacturing plant in Ohio. The film was acquired by the Obama's production company, Higher Ground Productions. Higher Ground has also produced children's shows such as Ada Twist, Scientist, and Waffles Plus Mochi, all of which have streamed on Netflix. Michelle Obama was also featured in a Netflix documentary based on her